This video shows how I made a minor update to a bathroom for very little money by just installing new bathroom hardware accessories, which anyone can do without hiring a handyman. I forgot to take a video before I replaced the vanity light, so all I have is a photo. So here are some things that I have done already. I replaced the lights with these very modern looking ones. I forgot to take a video of my replacing the lights. I did that all by myself, and so that's too bad. But I think what I'm gonna do is make a video of myself, of my installing wall sconces or wall lights at a future date. So once that's done and posted, I'm going to put a link to it in the description box so that everybody can see how easy it is to install lights. Well, it depends on how the wiring is behind the wall, but it can be very easy to do. And if there's already a light box, which was the case here, then those are always very simple to do. Anybody can do. And then I put a towel ring where there was none. And I thought it was kind of neat that the towel ring matches the light really well. But they're not from the same collection or anything like that. I'm also going to replace this towel bar. There's nothing wrong with it. It's in actually really good shape. Like there's no rusting or bubbling of the chrome finish. But I just, I'm going to replace it with nickel finish towel bar, and then I'm gonna replace this toilet paper holder again with something that's got nickel finish. So because I would need a mini screwdriver, which I didn't have in my toolbox, I happened to have taken it out to use it and never put it back. So what I did was I went to the dollar store to quickly grab a brand new set for just $1. And I'm just gonna use it to unscrew it. So here goes. Just no mini screwdrivers, no problem. Just drive to your local dollar store to get a set for just $1. I'm gonna do this to the other side, and I can just take this whole thing out. It's just a matter of just pulling these out. See, I got a couple of tiny shelves that match the cabinet, and I'm gonna put these shelves on that wall right there. On this side, I put up some shelves and then replace the toilet paper holder with something that looks a little bit nicer, and then I replaced the old builder's grade chrome towel bar with a brushed nickel finish or stainless steel finish towel bar. So that's all I did. So how much did the replacement fixtures and accessories cost? The toilet paper holder was around $10 plus tax from HomeGoods. The towel ring was around $8 plus tax from HomeGoods. The shelves I got used from a garage sale for $5 each. The lights I got from an eBay auction for $40. And the towel bar, I took that off the wall from my house, so it was free. So I updated this bathroom for under $70. And a tip I want to share is that you can find cool looking one-of-a-kind bathroom fixtures from eBay for a bargain. And HomeGoods is a good place to buy bathroom fixtures and accessories at discount prices.